And all our values are built together to bring passion to all. It's really the secret source of putting together all the pillars, all the hard work of the people that are working in MV Agusta, and I'm really proud and very emotional today to be here with you. You know that usually we say we don't build just motorcycle, we craft emotions.
And it's really an honor. I'm honored to be able to present Thank you, Eddie.
Qui c'è la storia del marchio MV Agusta, che ha sempre vissuto l'asfalto. In questo caso possiamo mettere un MV Agusta anche sulla terra. Quindi è l'onore di firmare 500 moto con un marchio storico conosciuto in tutto il mondo. Mi hanno coinvolto in questa bellissima storia che sicuramente avrà un futuro e un nuovo settore per me.
That is driving the LXP Edi Orioli. 85% of that torque is available already at 3,000 RPM. It's an incredibly wide range of torque that really allows you in all situations to use inside of the custom riding map mode. You can make as many custom maps as you want for whatever type of terrain you want to tackle.